That's not a water pipe. Here we go.
Run! What are those things?
Get the kids out! Somebody help!
3 of them. Fine.
Everything you're watching right now is completely AI generated. This entire anime video was created using a powerful new AI video generator that can produce cinematic anime scenes, realistic human-style characters, and highly consistent storytelling visuals. And the best part? You can generate both images and videos inside the same platform without dealing with complicated tools or annoying limitations. But today, instead of just making random AI clips, we are going to build a complete mini anime story with consistent characters across every scene. In this video, I'll show you the exact workflow step by step from generating your main character to building story scenes and finally turning everything into cinematic animated videos. Make sure you watch carefully because by the end of this video, you'll be able to create anime videos like this yourself. So let's get started. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Pro Secret. Meet Vidu AI, an all-in-one AI platform that recently launched Vidu Q3, one of the best AI video generators available right now. It can generate high-quality videos with smooth motion, cinematic camera movements, and highly consistent characters. You can create virtually any type of content, and it even includes trending presets to help you get started quickly. Plus, you can generate videos using your own face with remarkable consistency and creative freedom. You get all the AI tools you need in one place, so there's no need to switch between different websites or tabs. Everything is available on a single platform, making the entire content creation process faster and more convenient. So first of all, click the link in the description and sign up using your email ID. So first, let's generate character images that will help keep our character consistent throughout the entire video. Click on Generate Image, and it will take you to this page. I'm using the text-to-image feature, and I got the prompts with the help of Claude AI. I'll share all of these prompts in my Discord server, so be sure to check them out. First, we'll generate the main character sheet. Simply copy the prompt and paste it here. Then select the image model. As you can see, you have several options, including GPT Image 2, Nano Banana 2, and Vidu Q2. I'm choosing GPT Image 2 because it's one of the best image generation models available right now and produces highly detailed, consistent results. Next, select the image resolution. You can generate images in up to 4K quality, and I highly recommend choosing 4K for the best possible results. After that, select your preferred aspect ratio and the number of outputs you want to generate. Finally, click Create, and Vidu will start generating your character sheet. And here is the result. As you can see, it generated a detailed anime character sheet showing the character from multiple angles and expressions, which is extremely useful for maintaining consistency across different scenes. It also includes a small realistic face reference image, giving you a clear idea of how this anime character might look in a realistic style. Now let's generate the second character using the same method. I simply copy the prompt from Claude AI, paste it into Vidu AI, and follow the same steps as before. Then click Create. I also generated the other characters using the exact same workflow, and here are the results. As you can see, all the characters look exactly the way I wanted, with a consistent style and appearance. Now it's time to create our first scene. You can go directly from reference to video, but I recommend generating scene images first and then converting them into videos. This approach usually gives you better control over the final result and helps maintain character consistency. I'm using the reference to image feature. You can either upload reference images every time or create permanent character references that can be reused in future generations, which saves a lot of time. First, I add the reference image of my character and assign a name to it. You can also add a voice for that character if needed. Then click Next and confirm. Our reference character is now successfully added. Using the same process, I added all of my characters as references. Now let's create our first video scene. I copy my first scene prompt, but before pasting it, always check which character is mentioned in that scene. Only add the relevant character as a reference. This helps the AI focus on the correct character and improves consistency. Once the correct reference character is selected, paste the scene prompt. The rest of the settings remain the same. For the output count, I recommend generating more than one result so you can choose the best version afterward. Finally, click Generate, and here is the result. As you can see, the character remains highly consistent with the reference image, and the scene is generated with impressive detail. So, using the same steps, I generated all the video scenes with image references, and the results are really amazing. Now let's convert them into videos. I'm using the image to video feature, but you can also use reference to video or text to video depending on your workflow. I'm uploading my first scene image, then selecting the video duration. You can generate videos up to 16 seconds, and there's also an option to add the last frame, which I'll use for the next scene to keep continuity. Next, I paste the first scene prompt and select the video model. I'm going with Vidu Q3. After that, I choose the resolution and set the creation mode to cinematic, which I highly recommend for the best visual quality. Then I select the number of outputs and click create. And here is the result.
That's not a water pipe. Here we go.
See, within a few moments, Vidu Q3 transforms your static image into a cinematic animated scene. Look at the camera movement, lighting, and smooth animation. This honestly feels like scenes from a professional anime movie. Now repeat the same process for all your story scenes. And make sure to use the end frame wherever you need continuity between scenes. This helps maintain smooth transitions and keeps the story visually consistent from one shot to the next. After that, import all the generated clips into your favorite video editor. Then add background music, transitions, and effects to make the video more engaging and visually appealing. You can also fine-tune pacing, sync scenes with music beats, and enhance the overall cinematic feel for a more professional result. And here is the final result.
That's not a water pipe. Here we go.
Run! What are those things?
Get the kids out! Somebody help!
3 of them. Fine. I just bought that shirt too.
Exit is right there. Keep moving. Don't stop. Go! Okay. Everyone's out. Pro secret. Shield mode. Maximum radius.
Shield deployment ready. Awaiting activation.
Let's keep it clean.
Crimson Wraith on my shield in charge. 3 hostile signatures detected.
3. Same as last time. Pro secret. Shield up the moment I walk through. Come on. Just a little longer. Send it.
One hostile neutralized, 2 remaining.
So you two want to go the hard way, okay? Wings it is! Stay
Solar
down!
emitters fully charged, both targets in range.
Both of you, at the same time. Sure, done! Now we're done.
The result is outstanding. Every character was generated with consistent design and detail. Every scene was carefully crafted using image references to maintain continuity. Every animation was brought to life with smooth motion and cinematic camera movement. And every moment feels like a real, high-end film sequence. All of this was generated entirely inside Vidu AI, without switching between multiple tools or complicated workflows. And honestly, the quality is on a whole different level. It looks like something made by a professional animation studio. So if you want to create cinematic anime videos, AI short films, or even realistic AI content, then definitely try Vidu AI and test the new Vidu Q3 model. The link is in the description below. Make sure you check it out, and if you need any help, let me know in the comments or reach out on our Discord server, where you can get all my used prompts, tutorials in one place, and lots of AI strategies. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.